Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Whiteboard in breakout rooms in a Microsoft team meeting. It's easier to do if you're working all with the same kind of devices, but Chromebooks do not have the ability to share a whiteboard. And so students aren't able to share a whiteboard, but they can share their screens. But you can create whiteboards for them and put them into the rooms. And it's really not as hard as it sounds. So I have created a couple of whiteboards here. I can do it again here, create a new whiteboard. I'm going to call it, where's the naming property? I'm going to call my whiteboard I guess I don't get to name it here. Okay, well, I'm going to share this whiteboard. Nope. I'm going to share this whiteboard, turn the sharing on, copy this link. And so once I have the whiteboard set up, I can go over to my rooms, join room, and I can go to the conversation, and I can throw it right here to where the students can go and pick up the whiteboard and they'll be able to work on it collaboratively. And then once they do start working on it collaboratively, it will be right here in my whiteboard and I'll be able to see that the work that they are doing on it. Oh, that's how you name it, Untitled Whiteboard. So we're going to call this, period 1, room 1. So now I have a whiteboard for them. Okay, and so when the students go over to their meeting, then they will be able to see that there is a whiteboard available here. Now, a student can grab it, all the students can grab it, or they could, one of them can share it while the others are working on it on their own. So that will work for a whiteboard if you want to have a whiteboard working in the room. That's how you get it to where it'll be sharing.